Welcome back, everybody, to the David English Academy. And today we're going to be going over pronouns. This is a basic lesson from the basic lesson series on the way to being advanced speakers. And the more you do, the better you're going to get. So let's get into the exercise. Possessive adjectives, pronouns. I is my. You is your, he is his, and she is her. Remember that the possessive adjective goes in front of a noun, which is a person, place, or thing. Here are some examples to look at. David is Canadian. His brother is Canadian too. His brother. His is going in front of brother, which is a noun. It's a person. Emma is French. Her mother is French too. Her mother is French too. Now, everybody, at this point, if you're taking lessons with me or with one of my teachers, just remember that this is practice from what we've already done in our lessons, and you can continue right to davidenglish.info to continue more exercises to strengthen this skill, this topic. Let's continue. Directions. Complete the sentence. I'm now going to read you a sentence from 1 to 5. I'm going to read it to you, and at this point, I want you to think what goes in the space. After you think, I will give you the answer, and I will repeat the answer twice. At this point in the video, you can stop the video and write down your answers and then check if you want to later. So you can go along with the activity and use this as a good study tool. 1. I have a bike. Bike is blue. My bike is blue. My bike is blue. 2. You need to finish homework before going out. What do you think? You need to finish your homework before going out. You need to finish your homework before going out. 3. He forgot wallet at home. He forgot his wallet at home. He forgot his wallet at home. 4. Kate loves new dress. Kate loves her new dress. Kate loves her new dress. 5. I can't find keys anywhere. What do you think? I can't find my keys anywhere. I can't find my keys anywhere. Directions. Complete the sentence. 6. You should pack lunch for the trip. You should pack your lunch for the trip. You should pack your lunch for the trip. 7. Miguel always keeps room tidy. Miguel always keeps his room tidy. Miguel always keeps his room tidy. 8. Mia enjoys spending time with friends. What do you think? Mia enjoys spending time with her friends. Mia enjoys spending time with her friends. 9. I think favorite color is green. I think favorite color is green. I think my favorite color is green. I think my favorite color is green. 10. You must take care of health. You must take care of your health. You must take care of your health. I want to remind you guys to keep moving forward. Keep going. You're doing amazing here. This is the process. This is all part of the process. This is how you're going to get better. This is how you're going to be better than you were tomorrow. Because what you're doing right now is the better you tomorrow. So the more you do, the better you're going to get. And remember, this is a basic lesson, but we're going to be going into more basic lessons to get us to the next level. Everything is sequenced and put in a way to help you get better in English. Right now, we're focusing on grammar, but we're also focusing on listening skills. So again, at this time, you can stop the video and write down what you think the answer is to these questions, and then I will confirm right now what the answers are. Directions: complete the sentence. 11. Where are friends now? Answer: where are your friends now? Where are your friends now? 12. Here is a postcard from friend Sophia. Here is a postcard from my friend Sophia. My friend Sophia. My friend. 13. She lives in Australia now with family. She lives in Australia now with her family. With her family. 14. She husband works in Palm Beach. If it's a she, we're going to be saying her husband works in Palm Beach. Her husband works in Palm Beach. 15. He. Company builds ships. Whose company? His company. His company builds ships. His company builds ships. Directions: complete the sentence. Again, stop the video. Check your answers. Let's continue. 16. My sister is coming to visit next week. My sister is coming to visit next week. My sister is coming to visit next week. 17. Do you parents know about the event? Do your parents know about the event? Do your parents know about the event? Listening, 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 getting better and better. 18. He car is parked outside the building. What do you think? His car is parked outside the building. His car is parked outside the building. Number 19. She office is on the 5th floor. Whose office? Her office. Her office is on the 5th floor. Her office is on the 5th floor. 20. Your book is on the table. Whose book? Your book is on the table. Your book is on the table. I'll give you some advice about what you can do to actually practice this alone or with a friend. You could probably go outside right now and go observe people and think about what belongs to them. Okay, for example, you might see a dog and an owner of a dog, and they're walking outside. So whose dog is it? It's his dog. You might see a person with their car, right? Whose car is it? It's his car, right? Or maybe you'll see somebody outside sitting on a bench reading a book. Whose book is it? It's his book. So you could really practice at all times, but pay attention again to his, her, okay? I to my, okay? All that stuff. And I want to hear your results and tell me what you did in the comments. That would be great. Here is the answer key from 1 to 10. You have all the answers from the drill, the practice what we just did. If you want, you can practice repeating these sentences for pronunciation, for rhythm, and actually try it to the best ability that you sound fluent. Okay, so have fun with that. And here are the rest of the answers from 11 to 20. Good luck with practicing. For more information, visit and follow my social media accounts right here. I got my website, davidenglish.info, my YouTube channel, my LinkedIn, my Facebook, and Instagram. Follow me there. I would like that so much, and hope to see you soon in the next lesson.
Hi, how are you today? If you would like to elevate your English level, where people actually understand you, where you're not making mistakes, where you're not confused, where you have control of your English, then you're in the right place. My name is David Sugarman. I've been teaching business English for over 12 years, and I can really help you. Currently, right now, I'm teaching in big companies like Diplomat Israel, like IKEA, and others. If you would like to hear more information, please reach out to me over here. Bye for now.